In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a specific sheet or tab within a Google Sheets document. Have you ever wanted to direct someone to a particular tab, but found that the default link takes them just to the first tab? Well, you're not alone. It's a common stumbling block, but worry not. The solution is actually quite simple and efficient. So let's dive right in and walk through how you can create a link that sends viewers directly to the specific tab you want them to focus on. First, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're in the tab or sheet to which you wish to direct your viewer. It's important to actually navigate to the exact tab in your Google Sheets where you want others to land when they click the link. This is because, by default, copying a link from the Share button in Google Sheets will only direct users to the very first sheet or tab available in your document. But we're going to be changing that by customizing the URL of the specific sheet. Once you're on the desired sheet, go up to your browser's address bar. Here you will see a URL that includes a part that says GID, followed by a string of numbers or letters. This section is crucial because it uniquely identifies the tab you're on. To capture this special URL, simply copy the entire link from your browser's address line, not just from the Share button. This process ensures that the link you've copied contains the specific details that direct others exactly where you want them to go. Now, with this copied link in hand, you're ready to create a hyperlink within your Google Sheets. Think of this as a more user-friendly way for others to access the particular tab. To do this first, decide where you'd like to place this hyperlink. It could be within the same document or even another document if it helps in navigating between different sheets efficiently. Once you've selected a cell where you'd like to insert this hyperlink, click on that cell. Then go up to the Insert menu where you'll find the Link option. Click on it to open up the hyperlink dialog box. Paste your previously copied link into the link field. Feel free to add a meaningful text in the text field that clearly conveys where this link will direct the user. When you're all set, click Apply. And there you have it, a hyperlink that directs friends, colleagues, or collaborators right where they need to go, straight to the tab you chose. This can be a real time saver and makes navigating through multiple sheets a lot more intuitive for everyone involved. So there you go, a straightforward way to direct others to a specific tab in Google Sheets. This technique ensures that you and your collaborators always land on the right information without any unnecessary scrolling or searching. Happy sharing, and see you in the next video.